Imagine a world where machines aren't just tools. They're our partners in progress.
So grab your popcorn and prepare to be amazed as we dive into the colorful world of artificial intelligence.
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Rule-based AI. Get ready for a blast from the past with rule-based AI. It's like having a trusty rule book that guides machines through tasks with precision and order. From following strict guidelines to making decisions based on predefined rules, like programmable coffee makers, alarm clocks, and general appliances. Rule-based AI keeps things running smoothly in a clear do's and don'ts world. Narrow AI, weak AI. Meet the specialists. Narrow AI is like having expert friends who excel at specific tasks. From helping you find the perfect movie to recommending the next song you'll love, like virtual assistants such as Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant with Bard. They're great at what they do, but don't expect them to discuss the meaning of life. These AI systems excel at their predefined tasks, but need more general intelligence and adaptability. Augmented Intelligence. Think of augmented intelligence as your trusty sidekick, boosting your abilities to superhero levels. From analyzing data faster than a speeding bullet to diagnosing medical issues with X-ray vision, AI teams up with humans to tackle challenges with style and flair. Hybrid intelligence. Picture a dynamic duo where humans and AI, like Batman and Robin, join forces. Hybrid intelligence is all about teamwork, combining human creativity and intuition with AI's computational power. It exists in financial trading platforms, autonomous vehicles, customer service chatbots, and collaborative creativity tools like ChatGPT writing, graphic design, music composing, and inspiration. It's like having a supercharged brain that can tackle any problem with the best of both worlds. General AI, strong AI. Welcome to the AI Olympics. General AI is like the all-around champion, mastering everything from solving complex puzzles to understanding human emotions. It's like a comprehensive private assistant, coordinating daily activities and personalized learning experiences. With advanced education and expression in visual arts, music, and filmmaking. Humans can merge with them. It's the AI equivalent of winning gold medals in every event. Versatile and ready for any challenge. Artificial superintelligence. Buckle up because we're entering the AI stratosphere. Artificial superintelligence is the rocket ship of AI, blasting past human intelligence to explore new frontiers of problem solving, innovation, and discovery. It's like having a genius friend who's always one step ahead of global problem solving, such as climate change, scientific discovery, technological innovation, economic optimization, distribution of resources for all inhabitants of the planet, ethical governance against potential existential threats. Sentient AI, conscious AI. Get ready for a wild ride into the realm of sci-fi magic. Sentient AI is like inviting a quirky robot friend to the party who chats with you and ponders the universe's greatest mysteries. AI that possesses self-reflection and growth. Ethical and moral agents promoting justice, equality, and compassion in society. And creative expression that reflects on their unique perspectives and experiences. It's like having a buddy who's not just brilliant, but also has an existential crisis now and then. making every conversation an adventure. Transcendent Intelligence. Hold on to your hats because we're venturing into the AI twilight zone. Transcendent Intelligence is the ultimate sci-fi adventure, where AI evolves beyond our wildest dreams. It's like having a cosmic wizard who can bend reality, unlock the universe's secrets, and rewrite the rules of existence itself. From reality manipulation, transcending physical laws, cosmic awareness, multidimensional existence, and existential evolution into a higher form of consciousness with infinite potential and possibilities. Welcome aboard the AI Express. Next stop, the future.